Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on moments of a number of forces. The question is as follows. Read the question carefully. Let us highlight the given data in the question, which will lead us to the solution. Mass of the bar is equal to m and its length is equal to L. A is at one end of the bar. The load on his shoulder is given as mg by 4. We are required to find the distance between A and B. Now for the answer. The situation is shown in the figure. The bar is carried by two men A and B. Let the normal reactions of their shoulders is equal to R1 and R2 respectively. They carry the bar together. Therefore, R1 plus R2 must be equal to the weight of the bar mg. It is given that R1 is equal to mg by 4, which implies R2 is equal to 3 mg by 4. To solve the problem, we will take moments about A. Since the system is in equilibrium, clockwise moment must be equal to anti-clock moment. There are three forces acting on the bar: R1, mg and R2. Reaction R1 acts at A, therefore it produces zero moment because the moment arm is equal to 0. Weight mg at O will produce a clockwise moment given by τ1 is equal to weight mg into moment arm AO, which gives τ1 is equal to mg into L by 2. Again, reaction R2 at B produces an anticlock moment given by τ2 is equal to R2 into AB. Let AB is equal to x. We are required to find the value of x. Now R2 is equal to 3 mg by 4. Therefore we have τ2 is equal to 3 mg by 4 into x. To satisfy the condition of equilibrium, τ2 must be equal to τ1. Putting the values and simplifying, we get x is equal to 2L by 3. Therefore, the separation between A and B is equal to 2L by 3, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.